User story. Restoring miracles. When technology warms the heart. It was a beautiful night, but this sudden network interruption turned the recorded precious moments into unreadable digital files in an instant, high voltage. These videos are very precious to me, so I started frantically searching for solutions online. Just when I was almost in despair, Repairit appeared. After a few simple steps, a miracle happened. The lost videos were miraculously restored one by one. At that moment, I felt reborn. I played the repaired video at the family gathering, and my family members were extremely excited to see a party popper. Repairit not only fixed the video but also warmed our hearts. I 1000% recommend it.